Hi there, it's George here, and this is the second part of my houseplant tour in September 2022. The first part you maybe did see end of August, so let's see update next on this bamboo, which is moso bamboo, and I reported 3 weeks ago already, and the leaves looking more and more green and very beautiful, and I am so happy about that. Look at those leaves, awesome. And I notice growing new shoots as well. These are old shoots, but some new shoots are here, as you can see this one, and not only this. And I put this piece of wood to not stuck in the holes of a pot, you know. And here growing another shoot of bamboo, but not so thick, but next year we will see. It will take off, I think, so we'll see just. And another shoots here, as you can see, a little shoots started to grow from the ground, and that's beautiful. And another shoot, as you can see, above the ground growing. This is another bamboo. It is more young and growing new shoots too. Awesome. So we'll see how they will grow. Next I'm gonna show you update on my banana plants. This banana plant have about 3 months. This was a baby banana plant. It was grown since June, and now we are in September. So big was grow and fast, and the mother plant already died because when the banana plants flowering, they die after that. And one leaf, as you can see here, some dries, but it's okay for it. And this variety is Musa Helen's hybrid, which I grew from seed many years ago. But now I'm propagating bananas from the bulbs, from suckers, you know. Next are this banana plant in the ground, which is Musa Orinoco, and did grow new leaves since last update, and they are looking beautiful and lush. And as you can see, how interesting this variety is, and this actually is my souvenir from Antalya when I was in Turkey, and you know, it was beautiful there, and every time I watch my banana plant growing, I remember that holiday, you know, when I was at Vasia. And at least I am very happy that this banana plant growing well. It will grow more than 1 month in the ground, and then I will have to dig it and move in the house because we have temperate climate. Next, growing here my coffee tree, Arabica, and did grow leaves, new leaves, as you can see in the top, but the nights are getting colder and I have to move it inside already, and these are the new leaves, and the fruits still are on this coffee plant. As you can see, one little fruit, young I mean, and so looking on the leaves. And another coffee bean, as you can see, more big. This will get ripe maybe in January or February, but we will see. So the next update we will see it in the house. And here are my pineapple plants. They are looking so beautiful, and I've repotted them, these 2 pots, as you can see, and they did grow vigorously, and look at them close up. So we are waiting for fruits maybe in next year, and that's it. They grow here in direct sunlight and they love the sunny. And the second one, this did grow under grow light, but I decided to move it outside during the summer, and already I will have to move it back. I will wait still, then I'm gonna move it back to the grow light, but let it grow there to grow thicker, you know. And yeah, look at those pineapples, how they are looking nice. And I have another one here growing. It is beautiful too, so many leaves, and they are looking really good, and have to repot because the pot seems too small already, that's it. But this pineapple, it is another variety, and it is mini pineapple. I did grow it from the top of the fruit, and so happy that subject. And look at the leaves. You can see the difference between that leaves and these leaves. As you can see, I have another young here, more and more small, but will grow. And here is my solanum, and at the moment it is full of fruits. As you can see, these fruits are decorative only, they're like toxic, and I keep this plant like decorative only. So as I can notice, I can see there are yellow leaves. I think it is a root bone inside and I have to repot it to add more soil. But look on these fruits close up, they are looking so good and decorative. So we are looking forward to repot this Solano. And also I have the Cherimoya that growing in this spot, and this summer did grow quite well, and leaves are beautiful, and so happy about that. It is full sunny and it loves, and yeah. And this tree I grow from seed. You know, I am good at growing from seed many plants. Look at the leaves close up over texture of the leaves. Next are my date palm trees, and they are looking so beautiful. I repotted them, and they will grow more and more tall, and just we will see next year or maybe after a few years, but we have to wait. So beautiful this did grow, this palm tree, and look at the stem is more thick, and I used compost when I repotted, and we'll see how it will develop on the compost. And as you can see, so many weeds germinated in this compost. It means it is good, but I have to remove all the weeds from that. On the second palm tree, as you can see, I repotted before, and the potting soil seed, as you can see, but have to add more. But look on these leaves, how they looking a little bit different from the first one. It's beautiful. So we'll see how it will grow in the future. And look from the top side. Here I have an avocado tree and now started to grow new leaves, as you can see in the top, fresh and kind of red, and it grow quite many leaves in the summertime, and the stem did get more thick. And here I have another avocado tree germinated, and it's looking good, but the old leaves yellowing because it was growing inside, then I moved outside. And yeah, anyway, but the new leaves are okay. I have to water at the time. As you can notice, the soil is dry on the surface. And here I have a bar tree, or laurel how it calls, and I've repotted it and now looking beautiful. So looking forward to see how it will grow more, and I notice new leaves growing here on this branch, and it's quite interesting to see how it will grow in the future and how big and how healthy, because I've repotted this bar tree in my own potting soil, I mean compost. The next here is a passion fruit which I propagated by cuttings and started to grow new leaves. It means succeed the experiment, and so happy about that. It is easy to propagate. And another one I propagated, but on this still no grow new leaves, but it's still green and will grow soon. Soon or later anyway, just we have to wait. Well, that's it for the second plants of my house plant tour already in September 2022. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. And put like, hit the notification bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the description and in corner as well. Have an amazing day, and bye bye.